So today in this tutorial, you're going to learn how to do continuous headspin drills. Alright, let's get started. Now this move is when you're fully on your head and your body's fully extended straight up to the point where you're like in a pencil form. I don't just recommend you just going both straight up and balancing that way. What I would suggest is you take one foot straight up and follow through with your other foot. So start with one foot, then the other foot comes with it, and you're going to lock your feet together slowly. The key element is to keep your arms and hands mid-range to your body. You don't want to have them too close to your body. The closer you are to your body, the faster you spin, you won't control it if you're not used to it. Alright, so there you have it, continuous head spins. Alright, so you guys, this is people at Ashes represent Orlando, Florida. Subscribe to my channel. Peace, take it easy.